Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to log out from linked devices like desktop, WhatsApp. On top right you see three dots, so click on it and then you see multiple options. Now you see linked devices, so click on it and then you see we have linked devices desktop login active. So this desktop login active on WhatsApp on web like Chrome browser, so you can log out from there or you can log out from here. Now click on it. So for log out we are going to remove this device. Now you see three dots, so click on it. Now you see remove device, so again click on it. This device will no longer be linked to this account. So on desktop web WhatsApp, when we click on remove here, on desktop WhatsApp logout automatic, so click on it, logging out. Now you see device logout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.